Just a little teaser of things to come in my videos here. As you can see here, we've got a NEMA 23 stepper and an Arduino and some switches and some logic. And let's see if I can do this while I'm holding the camera. We've got the motor over there with a little reflective strip on it for measuring with a tachometer, but so we've got a bi-directional switch. There's a momentary push button switch there that doesn't have logic attached to it yet. I also have a rotary encoder and a OLED display. So all this to say, got a new automation project coming. I know you guys want me to work on the Predator, but I want to do this. Thanks for watching.